In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add fonts to Mailchimp emails. By the end, you'll know exactly how to upload your brand's typography to your account so your campaigns feel consistent and polished. We'll move carefully through each action on screen, and I'll add helpful context along the way, including a few quick tips to avoid common hiccups. Keep in mind that custom email fonts don't always render in every inbox, so your goal here is to get your brand font into Mailchimp while still planning for clean fallback options in your designs. Start by opening your browser and heading to your Mailchimp account. If you're not already signed in, log in to reach your dashboard. From here, navigate to the main menu and look for Content. This is your library area where Mailchimp stores files, creative assets, and brand settings. Clicking Content gets you into the hub that connects your visuals with the rest of your marketing, which is exactly where fonts belong. Inside the content area, find and select Brand Kit. Think of Brand Kit as the central place where you define your brand identity inside Mailchimp, logos, colors, and, importantly, fonts. Keeping these elements together means you won't have to hunt for them when you're building campaigns. Your editor will pull from what you define here. If you don't see everything you expect, don't worry. Layouts can look a little different across accounts, but Brand Kit is the destination you want. Once Brand Kit opens, head to the Fonts section. This is where you'll connect your custom typefaces to Mailchimp. The Fonts panel shows any fonts you've already added and gives you the controls to bring in more. It's a good idea to have your font files ready on your computer before this step so you can move through the upload smoothly. Click Upload Font to begin. Mailchimp will prompt you to add your files. Choose Add File, which opens your computer's file browser. Navigate to the folder where your font files live. Most brands use multiple styles: regular, bold, italic, and bold italic, so gather the complete set if you have it. Consistency in your email designs is much easier when every style you plan to use is available. Mailchimp typically accepts common desktop font formats like TTF or OTF. If you're not sure which files to use, look for the ones labeled with those extensions and named by weight or style. Select the font files you want to include, then confirm your selection. Back in Mailchimp, verify that the correct file names appear in the upload list. This is also a good moment to double-check licensing. Ensure your brand has the right to use these fonts in marketing materials. Keeping your files organized and clearly named, like brandnameregular.otf and brandnamebold.otf, will make them easier to identify later. When everything looks correct, click Upload Font. You'll see the progress indicator as Mailchimp processes your files. Larger files can take a moment, so let the upload finish completely. After the upload completes, look for your new fonts listed in the Font section. To lock everything in, click Save Changes. This final save ensures your fonts are stored in your account and available across your projects. With your changes saved, your fonts are now part of your brand kit. When you design emails, you'll see them as options in the editor's font pickers. Because not all email clients support custom fonts, plan complementary fallback fonts that resemble your brand's look and keep readability front and center. Before sending any campaign broadly, preview and test across devices and popular inboxes to confirm that your typography appears clean and legible, even where a fallback is used. That's it. You've successfully added your fonts to Mailchimp and set the stage for more branded professional emails.